That was a day. All right, you guys. So I wound up being late. I totally went to the absolute wrong entrance. My GPS took me through the ghetto of Philly, like Adams and the Boulevard. Any Philly people here, you know, it's ghetto. And then I pull in a driveway and I see a cop parked back there and it says no trespassing, private property. And then on the other driveway that you could go down was like an old house with a guy doing lawn work outside that did not look like a wedding venue at all. So I was like, I'm in the wrong spot. So I had to call my bride and she's like, oh, you're on the back entrance. So she had to direct me, drop a whole pin and everything. It was a whole situation. And I finally pull up and I park where I see all these cars parked like right out front, and I go inside, back up. That sounds too easy. I unload all of my bags and I lug it up an entire driveway uphill, go up multiple sets of stairs to get inside to this huge venue. Good morning. I'm doing hair. And then the woman.
It is a fire lane. That's why it is a problem. It should not, you shouldn't stay there.
Super nice, but she's like, you can't stay parked there. And I'm like, I just saw the other cars.
I know. We one of them is the bride's mom.
Ma'am, there are so many other cars parked here. So I had to lug all my stuff back in my car and had to go all the way around the other side of the building. And then I finally found the bridal suite.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Sorry, I got turned around.
Oh no, it's okay.
When I pulled in, it said private property, and
that drive.
There was a cop sitting there, and I was like, you're making me nervous.
Yeah, no, I don't know what.
And then I parked out front, and she's like, you can't park there. And I was like, lady, I'm late. So that's how my morning started. I was like 10 to 15 minutes late to this wedding, which just totally makes me so flustered, and it throws me off for the entire day. They were a great bridal party, and we did have so much fun. This is a newer venue, and this was actually the very first wedding that they had at this venue, and it is absolutely stunning. Like, it's a huge estate with all of these ornate fixtures inside, just like gold mirrors everywhere, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And I stayed and I hung around to make sure that I could put her veil on for her and just do some touch-ups. So I was able to see her first look, and it was down these massive stairs, and it was just such a grand entrance, and it was so beautiful to watch. But also, like, every one of her wedding vendors showed up super early. So my timeline, I wasn't supposed to finish hair until like 2:15, and I was supposed to do the bride, and the last person was going to be a bridesmaid. Everybody showed up so early, and they all show up in the bridal suite, and I feel like this keeps happening. Like, photo and video show up so early, and they're supposed to be like doing details and things like that, but then they come in the room and it makes everybody so anxious to be like done and ready on time. So it like stresses hair and makeup out for no reason. So I like rushed my last girl, and I kind of felt bad, but I was like, they were rushing me to get her done for the pajama photos. And I'm like, can we just stick to the schedule? I'm not supposed to be done until like 2:15. And then we sat around for like an hour waiting for her to get dressed. And the bride was even like, what are we waiting on? Like, she kept saying that. Even for her first look, we were sitting around waiting for like a good 20 minutes just for her to go outside for her first look. So I was finished everybody's hair around 1:30, and I didn't head out until about 3:30 because I stayed and I helped her do like her veil and did some touch-ups for her during the first look. So it was a long day for your girl. I am absolutely flipping wiped, knocking on death's door, and the only thing on my ride home was McDonald's. So you bet I throat slammed a double cheeseburger so fast. But that is going to end it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed coming to this wedding with me. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.